Okay, here we go, another flight on the FMS A-10. Did the maiden the other day, went quite well. Except the battery was in the wrong position, landed quite heavy, but shifted that as far back as possible, so should be good on this flight. Let's hope. Yeah, come a bit closer, Trev, so you can hear me.
Yeah.
On my left. Because of the wind coming from the left, it's better if you're standing on my left.
Okay.
Alright, lined up on the runway. You see I've removed that top bit of the canopy frame because it was really getting on my nerves, blocking the view. But I think we're all good. So flaps 1, and here we go. Gear up, flaps up. Alright, I'm just going to check everything out at a bit of altitude, Trev.
Okay.
That's good. Quite bumpy today, but jets are the best thing to fly on a bumpy day, I find. Strip off to the left, banking left. So you'll see that I've got 2 speed readouts on the on-screen data telemetry. So the top one is ground speed 48 miles an hour, and the airspeed is below that. So you can see there's about a 20 mile an hour difference. And if you look at the windsock down there, that explains it. You know, that's why I got up in the air so quickly, because of that 20 mile an hour wind. Makes for faster downwind passes. So, throttling up, we'll shallow dive and do a loop. Looking for the horizon, and the ground comes back. Nice. The funny thing is, even though I've got head-tracked FPV, the natural thing to do is just to look straight forwards and not side to side. So I'm making a point of doing that to show how well the head tracking is working, and it really is working quite well today. I had a bit of drift the other day. The servo was just drifting to the left, but it's certainly not doing that today. There's me and Trevor. Down there. Say I'm getting more and more addicted to this fixed wing FPV thing, and iNav and the telemetry just really adds to it. and us trying to fly formation, which I think we're finding, Trevor, is not easy, is it? It's well, I'm the one trying to follow, but communication is so important when you're doing that.
Yeah, it's definitely something that needs practicing, isn't it?
A lot of practice.
As you say, if they're both FPV, it might be a different story.
I think it will be, yeah.
Yeah, someone just walking along the field.
Roger that, thank you.
Yeah.
So we got a walker down there, just being told they're going to cross over. That will be fine. Always good to have someone spotting for that type of thing. So telemetry showing under load, I'm half throttle and I'm still in the green. Probably quite high for you there, Trev. Still well below the legal limit. I stress 300 feet. And I'm convinced I had a model the other day where the height telemetry certainly wasn't right. It was reporting 200 feet when I was almost at ground level.
Flaps 1.
Thank you, Stuart.
Gear down.
Gear going down. Flaps 2. Although I won't need flaps 2, this A-10, like all A-10s, is fantastic at higher altitude and then just dropping down. So here we go on the approach, 150 feet, but going to drop down. Airspeed 3, I'm aiming for about 35 miles an hour. I'm off the throttle, still coming down 35 miles an hour. And that's helping me drop down a bit of throttle now. Down. Switching manual. Whoops. Didn't mean to.
Falling down the hole.
Oh, infamous holes. No problem. I will
Disarm motors.
disarm. That was good.
Yeah,
Enjoyed that.
Having fun.
Yeah, sit for the ruts in the runway.
Yeah.
But yeah, really good. Fantastic machine, this. And I love all that telemetry. The difference between airspeed and ground speed really noticeable today. You can see it on the windsock. So it's good to have. Actually, it's one great example of good to have the airspeed, because the ground speed is meaningless in the conditions like this, and really helps you land at the right speed. Anyway, thanks for watching on Essential RC. Trev, thanks on camera.
All right.
Be back soon. Adios.
Adios.